And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. Rules for trading the disappeared rules for trading the three Fibonacci part 1. Wow, right? Alright everybody, welcome. This is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. For questions or homeworks, you have my new email, FXBox, FXBoss, right? And you have Skype for Business. You can follow me on YouTube/C/FXFreedomFX and Instagram if you want. Alright, okay everybody, I just wrote you for today, prepare the 4-hour charts, right? Give it a second. Okay everybody, let's open the AUD from yesterday, AUD 4-hour chart. Alright. Yes, let's start with the easy one, right? So you have the ABCD, right? ABCD, give it a second, ABCD. We don't have a contrarian Fibonacci, everybody. The market's making lower lows, lower highs. Alright, so here is the question. How are you going to win on AUD 4-hour chart? Any suggestions? Of course, we're talking about the Fibonacci's. Any suggestions, everybody? How are you going to win? We are in here right now. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow you are by yourself, everybody. We don't have class tomorrow, right? You are by yourself. So how are you going to make pips and money? Let's start with an easy question. Short or long? Buy or sell? What do you think? Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Alla, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Shola, and everybody else. Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Yeah, there is no right or wrong. You can go long, you can go short, not a problem. Exactly. How are you going to make pips and money, everybody? Give me a second. Any idea? Somebody's asking on the other streaming platform, not YouTube. Boss, can I go short on a different pattern, not Fibonacci? Sure, absolutely, right? We are in here, everybody. What's the plan? Boss, help me. Alright. Okay, so talking about the three Fibonacci's, text. Talking one more time, talking about the three Fibos. Talking about three Fibos. Number 1, decide what Fibo are you going to trade. Number 2, look for alignments. Number 3, enter according to your strategy. Everybody, can you do this? Trading is a learnable skill. Can you do this, everybody? We are on AUD 4-hour chart. Okay. Some of you might think, oh, it cannot be that simple. Is that simple? Everybody? It's that simple. Decide what Fibonacci are you going to trade. Are you going to trade the original Fibonacci? Are you going to trade the contrarian Fibonacci, just an example, or are you going to trade the Fibonacci of the confirmation? This is number one. Decide what Fibonacci are you going to trade. Boss, what's the difference? The stop loss level is the difference. Great question. The stop loss level is the difference. Look for alignments. Alignments. Look for alignments. Alright. Enter according to your strategy. Anybody ready to trade AUD CAD for our chart? Type in the chat yes or no, everybody, so we can move forward. By the way, take a screenshot or picture or photo with your cell phone maybe and type in the chat done so we can move forward. Type yes, type in the chat done when you're ready. Is that simple? Decide what Fibonacci are you going to trade. Boss, what? Somebody is typing, boss, what if I don't decide? What do you mean? Oh, if you don't, let's say that you cannot enter the original one, you cannot enter the confirmation one, and you cannot enter the contrarian, then stay out, right? Yes, if you don't have it, according number 3, enter according to your strategy. Type in the chat done. Shola says done. Alright. This was AUD CAD. Let's open AUD CHF. Everybody, do you have any Fibonacci entries? Because I want to practice with you number 2 today. Looking for alignments. AUD CHF for our chart. Right? AUD CHF for our chart, why not? Fibonacci is about the down market wave, up and down, up and down. Alright, so this is the original Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. Let's draw the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Let me double check the numbers, everybody, about highs and lows. What is the low on this candle? 0.580 and 0.5807, 0.5806. Right, so we have the confirmation Fibonacci, and this was the ABCD. The market would stop you out on this one. If we readjust, right, green goes to green, this was the second one, the market would stop you out on this one, and we are waiting for a low. Okay, anybody want to trade AUD CHF for our chart? Nobody? Alright, let's go on the next one. AUD JPY. Remember, everybody, we are looking for alignments. Is anybody in any trades from the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? AUD JPY, monthly, weekly. Alright, 4 hour chart, right? Alright, everybody, this is a nice example. So we have an up and down. Up and down, Fibonacci sequence, ABCD. This was our last Fibonacci, and wow! Look at that, everybody. Look at this retracement. Everybody, look at this retracement. And my dogs are yelling at you, everyone. Why didn't you look at this stop loss level? You know, if you would short the market, in here, look at this risk reward ratio. I'm going to risk 1 and I'm going to 1 and 2 and 3 and red goes to red, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clone, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7 risk reward ratio, not this one, clone, whoops, not this one more time, something's happening with Bitcoin, right? Okay, the dogs are getting crazy when Bitcoin is on the line. Anyway, ADJPY 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7 risk reward ratio. Anybody shorting AUDJPY 4-hour chart? Or AUDJPY 1-hour chart, AUDJPY 2-hour chart? Everybody? This was a, do we agree everybody, this is a nice setup in here? Boss, I missed the entry, what can I do? Is this something consistent that you are missing those entries, or is this just one? Are you consistently missing entries, everybody? Or is just one? But I have a job. Everybody, you must understand that unfortunately you must monitor the market, make sense? I know you have a job, you know, and but make it 2 hours per day, you know, from let's say that you come back home at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. you eat something, you spend time with your kids, you know, you take a shower, you know, so monitor the charts, whatever, you know, from whatever 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Make sense, everybody? The smaller time frames, it's complicated, I agree, but if you are on the 4-hour chart, you are not going to miss this entry. Make sense, everybody? Even if you miss the first candle, you can still enter in here. Let's say that you didn't enter on the first circle, you know, based on pure risk reward ratio, not a counter trend line break yet, you know, you missed it because you were working or you were swimming or you were doing whatever. This is a 4-hour candle, you know, but you would capture the next one or the next one, you know. See in here, everybody? So you had a chance 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hours, 16 hours, 20. You had 24 hours, everybody, to enter the market. Do we agree? Some of you are going to enter the Forex course 202. Do we agree that you had 24 hours to enter the market going short on AUDJPY? Whatever chart, talking about smaller time frames, you know, the 4-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, the 1-hour chart. Do we agree? Alright. So we are here right now, and this is the 4-hour chart. No contrarian Fibonacci. Okay. What else can we do? We can draw the Fibonacci of the confirmation, right? We've learned why the Fibonacci of the confirmation is an excellent tool, because if I miss an entry, I can still enter the market. So ABCD, I'm not sure about those two. I need to check. ABCD, okay, it's a lower low, right? So the market is moving down, and ABCD. Now this is going to be the next sequence. So I can wait for the next sequence on the Fibonacci of the confirmation and short the market. Next, AUD, what was this? AUD JPY. Did we check AUD CHF? Oh yeah, it was down, right? AUD NZD, everybody, not tradable. Remember, Fibonacci trading, you have AUD NZD, Euro GBP, USD CHF. Those are not tradable. Why not, boss? Because Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation or sideways movement. Everybody, hands up. How many of you are losing or lost on AUD NZD this year? Hands up. Type in the chat, me. It doesn't matter 1 trade or 20. How many of you lost trading AUD NZD this year? Come on, I know some of you. Don't be shy. We need to address our winners, but we also need to address our losers. Boss, teach me how to make money. You need to address the losers too. Teach me how to make money, right? Oh, let me show you my winners. I don't care about winners, I care about losers. We don't need to work on the winning side, we need to work on the losing side too. Agreed, everybody? How many of you lost on AUD NZD this year? Months, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay? So here is a suggestion. What I'm doing, I'm not trading this pair in between. I'm not even wasting time. I'm going to wait the market or to come down here and buy, or I'm going to wait the market to come up in here and sell. Otherwise, I'm not analyzing this. For a class it's alright, but you know, talking about trading and making money, I'm not analyzing AUD, NZD, I'm not spending any time, I'm not wasting any time. Alright? Boss, but I would like to trade it. If you are consistently losing on AUD, NZD, or if you are in a winner-loser cycle, winner-loser loop, winning money, losing money, winning money, losing money, don't waste your time. Suggestion, right? Fibo doesn't work on 4 time frame, was broken several times, check with smart trader to see. Okay, so we're not going to touch this one. Fibonacci doesn't work on AUD USD so far. Let's open Canada CHF. Give it a second. Let's open Canada CHF and check if there are. Boss, what about Bitcoin? Alright. Some of you know my dogs, alright. And BTC, right? BTC, let's see. Bitcoin, right? Well, 4-hour chart or the daily chart. Nothing special. Weekly chart. Give it a second. No, we're not going to trade and Fibonacci, no. Alright, we are here right now. Nothing special. Alright, Canada CGF daily, no. Let's see the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, up and down, up and down. So we are kind of locked in. So this was the loser, winner, loser, loser, winner. We are kind of locked in this consolidation. If you ask me, you know, this is one, double bottom, and up in here somewhere this would be the range. Talking about the Fibonacci's, right? Talking about the Fibonacci's. Give it a second. Alright, we have the original Fibonacci 4-hour chart going up. We have the contrarian Fibonacci going down. Alright, let's change some colors. White and white and white, and this is going to be orange, and this is going to be orange. And at levels white and white and white goes to white again. And at levels, and this is going to be the contrarian Fibonacci. Alright, I'm going to change it later, alright? So we have an up Fibonacci, we have a down Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci of the confirmation. One more time, the Fibonacci of the confirmation at levels. This is going to be black, this is going to be green and green and green, and this is going to be green. Alright everybody, this is our A. Give it a second, this is our A. Text, this is our B. This is our C. We need to check our C. Yeah, don't put it blindly. Don't put it blindly. You need to use the widget. So here it is. And this candle is at what? Low. 6530, 6530, 6535, and this one is 6537. So this is our C, ABCD. Blue goes to blue, the contrarian Fibonacci already hit, so we're going to edit levels, and this time we're going to change to contrarian Fibonacci, alright? Orange, white, and white, and white, and orange, and white. Save. Alright. Here we need to edit levels. Original, alright. Okay everybody, decision time. Do you want to go long on the Fibonacci, the confirmation? Do you want to go red goes to red? We had another one here. So I'm going to delete this one to be more transparent, right? Alright everybody, type in the chat which one do you want to trade, and then we're going to look for alignments. Hedge fund trader Shola, do you want to go long on the Fibonacci, the confirmation? Do you want to go long on the original Fibonacci, or do you want to go short on the contrarian? Everybody, we learned all of this. Can the contrarian So sub A. Can the contrarian hit my take profit? Sub A, sub B. Boss, this is not allowed yet. Agreed? Not allowed yet, everybody. Oh yeah, it is, okay. No, it's not. Sub B. Can the market hit, everybody, the sub D extension? I'm just trying to refresh the memory. Sub D, right? Sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. Give it a second. And clone. Sub C. Can the market hit the sub D? Somebody's typing, not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. Boss, what about NZD cat? Alright, NZD cat, how are we doing on NZD cat? Everybody give it a second. Are we still winning on NZD cat? Yeah, we enter a trade to... Yes, it can. Exactly. Come on, J4X, come on, come on. Come on, J4X, come on. This is what? Monthly, daily... weekly, 30 minutes, day, 1 month, 1 day. There you go, 4-hour chart. We're still here, right? Short the market, nothing new. The market is sideways, everybody. Talking about the 4-hour chart, nothing new. Alright, if you want, you can manage the trade according to the strategy. What can you do? You can put the stop loss to break even, you can put the stop loss down here, cancel and replace. You can use some indicators if you want. Somebody's asking about euro dollar. How many of you believe that euro dollar is going to go up? Some of you were winning on the long side, euro USD, right? Some of you were winning, right? This is the 4-hour Fibonacci, if I'm not mistaken. Red goes to red. Euro dollar 4-hour chart. Contrarian Fibonacci, let's see. High to low, low to high, high to low to contrarian Fibonacci from here to here. Give it a second, edit levels. Contrarian, there you go, ABCD. Contrarian ABCD, contrarian Fibonacci, shorting the market ABCD, and stopped out, right? We would be stopped out on this one. If you're not sure, use the widget, price widget. So this candle high 111469, 111496, 4694. So we would be stopped out on this one, and then contrarian Fibonacci in here, out this one. All right. Let's vote, everybody. Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to buy Euro dollar 4-hour chart. Who in here wants to sell euro dollar 4-hour chart? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. But someone is going to win, someone is going to lose. This is the market wave which we've learned from the previous lessons. Boss, I'm new to the channel. Go please to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch lesson number 1. Right? So we want to make money, right? Okay. Now when the market hits this level, okay, something is going to happen. Okay, now on the short term, most likely 7 times out of 10 this market is going to react. Agreed? Agreed, but this is not enough. How do you know, and you've learned this, how do you know that if this market is going to push up long term, so you can make money next 5 to 7 times? Or how do you know that this market long term is going to push down, it's going to keep pushing down, so you can still make money for the next 5 to 7 times? And the answer is hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara. What's the answer? Boss, can you predict this? Absolutely. Absolutely, this is predictable. I will buy original Fibonacci because it's in uptrend. Not enough. Everybody, Fibonacci's are predictable. Not every single time, we clarify this, but 7 times. You are looking at the 4-hour chart. How do you know what is going to happen 7 times out of 10? Is the market going to push back up potentially? And with the knowledge and understanding, you would buy and buy and buy and buy with confidence, or you would short and short and short and short with confidence. Beginner traders are scared to enter the market. Wait for counter trend and break to buy. How do you know? Shola wants to buy the market. Good. How do you know that the market is going to push up? Clara wants to buy the market. Good. How do you know that this market is going to push up long term? We just talked about this lesson, everybody, in the beginning. What was number 3 from the formula? Who remembers? Type in the chat what was number 3. Number 1, decide on the pattern. No, yeah, exactly, not number 3, number 2. Decide on the pattern. Number 2 is what? What are the rules for trading the 3 Fibonacci's? Number 1, once you decide on the Fibonacci, then you know where to put the correct stop loss. But if you go in the wrong direction, you can still lose. Alignments, everybody, is the key word. So pattern, good but not good enough. Alright everybody, so I'm on the 4-hour chart. Alignment, exactly. Alignment. Okay, now I'm going to go on the daily chart. On the daily chart, ABCD, ABCD. Okay, is the daily original Fibonacci, everybody, aligned with what I want to do? So we're talking about that the reaction is going to happen here on the 4-hour chart, and then the question was, okay, what is going to happen most likely on the 4-hour chart? And Clara and Shola said long. Is the original Fibonacci up still? Is the daily aligned with the 4-hour chart? Is the 4-hour chart Fibonacci aligned with the daily? Fibonacci of the confirmation. Fibonacci of the confirmation. Fibonacci of the confirmation. Everybody, give me a second. Original Fibonacci. Green goes to green. Green goes to green. This is the next, right? Yes, it is. All right, very good. The Fibonacci of the confirmation is aligned. The original Fibonacci is aligned, and the three Fibonaccis, the contrarian Fibonacci, right? Okay. Let's move on the weekly. Let's move on the weekly, everybody. We are here from the weekly chart. Weekly chart, weekly chart. Now, this is a little bit more complex, but the original is this one. Is the weekly aligned? Everybody, is the weekly Fibonacci aligned? So, extension, retracement, extension, market wave, right? Is the weekly original Fibonacci aligned? No, it's not. Is the weekly contrarian aligned? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, right? So high to low, low to high, high to low, market still in an uptrend. Agreed, everybody? And finally, the monthly chart. What about the monthly? Is the monthly aligned? And Fibonacci of... I need to check this one, everyone. Contrarian Fibonacci and widget one more time. High 110, 1109, 195. Okay. Both monthly, not contrarian, yes. Maybe you mean original, not contrarian, yes. Right, everybody? Now, here is the question. We've learned about candles and candlestick formations. You have a bearish monthly candle. Right? So back to the daily. Okay, back to the daily. And hard highs, hard lows, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Everybody, market wave is up too. Okay, so final decision, short term, long. What about long term? This is the short-term trend low, first circle, and this is the market wave low, rectangle, right? Boss, this is too complicated. It's not. It's not complicated. We were on vacation. You must learn how to link the pieces of the puzzle, 1 plus 1, right? So market's falling down on the 4-hour chart. We are reaching a pivot point, level of past support, and then we are expecting that the market short term is going to bounce, which is one trade. But then the game starts again. The next 5 trades, are you going to sell the market, or the next 5 trades are you going to buy the market? And this is the game. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Until the market breaks the short-term trend low, go long term. Until the market breaks the rectangle of the market wave, you can still go long. Make sense, everybody? And you are going to lose anyway if the market goes in consolidation. Why is that? Because Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. Make sense, everybody? So your job as a junior trader, beginner trader, some of you were in the Forex course too, like Clara, you know you have a long way to go with the new knowledge and understanding of how this business is done. Not one trade means nothing. You know, bouncing up in here, you know, capturing a few pips down in here, one trade, this is the easy part. The next 5 to 7, it's what you are trying to get skilled at. Alright, everybody, see you back on Monday. Have a happy weekend, great weekend. This is the boss signing off.